Hey everyone, sviz here. A while back, I attended the Shrew Design Bay Area meetup, and I saw some amazing boards and met some amazing people. Among these boards and people, I saw this extremely well-known Vega 65 that you've probably seen on YouTube. The owner of this board is none other than who I refer to as the Frankenswitch guy, Tofu Types. Feel free to check out his channel by the way, as he did let me borrow this and take pictures with. Super kind guy, and it was just so nice to meet Bay Area locals with similar interests. Really looking forward to more. Back to the Vega. This is a 65% gasket mounted keyboard designed by AIO3 and Kevin Plus. It's really well made, especially at the price point, and I really regret messing out on the group buy. Tofu uses this board quite frequently, I believe, paired with GMK Botanical. And he also did this sort of plateless mount to the Vega, which a lot of people, including myself, didn't even think was possible. If you're interested in learning more about this, he has a video on it. In short, he's basically made a special plate that supports the PCB from the top and aligns it as well. Paired with extremely tall gaskets and a 1.2mm thin PCB, this results in the insane flex you're seeing. I enjoyed typing on this so much, and the bottom out is surprisingly pleasant. Without further ado, here's a sound test. I hope you enjoy this as much as I do, and keep in mind sound varies on many factors. Thanks to Tofu again for letting me try this out.